This simple trick will make your white shoes look like new again. Take a large bowl and pour in 100 milliliters of dish soap. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which has natural whitening properties. Then pour in 100 milliliters of vinegar, an excellent natural cleaner and disinfectant. Finally, add 500 milliliters of water and mix everything thoroughly until the solution is well combined. Dip a brush into the mixture and apply it generously to the shoes. Scrub the entire surface of the shoes with the brush. The foam does most of the cleaning for you, so there's no need to scrub hard. You'll quickly notice your shoes becoming white again. Finally, rinse them with water and leave them to air dry. That's it. Your shoes will look like new again, and the leather they're made of will remain undamaged. Add it to your wash, and even the most delicate shoes will come out bright white like new. You just need to wash them differently than usual. You don't have to scrub sneakers or other sports shoes by hand, which is tiring and time-consuming. You can wash even a single pair in the machine, and it will handle them well, even without a special shoe cycle. Choose a delicate fabric program, set a low temperature of about 100 Fahrenheit, and use a low spin speed. To keep the shoes from moving around the drum and rubbing against each other, add a thick terry towel to the wash. You can even use 2 towels. They protect the shoes during washing and spinning and help them clean more effectively. Your shoes will come out looking bright, fresh, and perfectly clean. Rub some oil on your shoes and they'll look like you just took them out of the box. Dirty shoes, especially the rubber soles, can be super frustrating, and cleaning them feels like a real challenge. But don't worry, there's no need to throw them out or buy a new pair. I've got a simple trick that really works. Grab a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda has a gentle, abrasive effect, whitens the surface, and neutralizes odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Canola or sunflower oil works great. It softens grime and breaks down greasy stains. Now add a tablespoon of white toothpaste, just the plain kind, no gels or colors. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives and whitening agents. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Take a sponge and apply the mixture to the rough side. Scrub the dirty parts of your shoes thoroughly. You'll see the difference right away. The soda lifts the dirt, the oil dissolves the grease, and the toothpaste brightens the surface. Your shoes will shine like new. No need for expensive products or replacements. This simple method brings your shoes back to life, clean, fresh, and ready for your next step. Apply this to your shoes and sprinkle them with this powder. From now on, you'll be able to wash your shoes in the washing machine without worrying that it will ruin your favorite pair. This simple trick will make your shoes look like new. First, wipe your shoes with a damp cloth to remove larger dirt and debris, such as sand or mud. Apply toothpaste. Regular white toothpaste, without whitening additives, works great for freshening up the fabric and removing stains. Now it's time for baking soda. Baking soda has natural cleaning and odor-neutralizing properties. Combined with the toothpaste, it creates an effective cleaning mixture. Wait a few moments until everything dries slightly. Place the shoes in the washing machine drum. But that's not all. Add a thick towel, preferably a terry cloth towel, to the drum. This is a very important step. The towel cushions the shoes and prevents them from banging against the drum. Choose the right wash cycle. A delicate cycle works best. The water temperature should not exceed 104 degrees Fahrenheit. After the wash, simply leave the shoes to air dry. Once they're dry, they'll look like they just came out of the store. Don't throw away your dirty shoes. One simple mixture and the soles will be white again. Pour hydrogen peroxide into a bowl, add dish soap, toothpaste, and a little tap water. Mix everything well. Wipe the soles of your shoes with the mixture, and the dirt will quickly start to disappear. Your shoes will look like new. Pour salt into your shoes. More and more people are doing this for one very important reason. Let me explain why it's worth trying. Take the shoes you wear most often. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into each shoe. Salt has natural hygroscopic properties. Shake the shoe a little to distribute the salt evenly inside. Leave the prepared shoes overnight. This part is very important. The salt needs time to work, but that's not all. The next day, thoroughly vacuum or shake out the salt from inside the shoes. Now, here's why this method matters. Salt absorbs moisture, which creates an environment for bacteria to grow. That's the main source of unpleasant odors. By adding salt, you remove the problem. It's a simple, cheap, and effective way to keep your shoes fresh. A woman working in a dry cleaners revealed to me a secret that makes old, stained shoes turn snow white in just a few minutes. Dirt disappears from the shoes faster than you can notice. White shoes often collect mud, dust, and tough stains that penetrate the material and are hard to remove with ordinary cleaning, but this method handles them instantly. Take a glass container and add white toothpaste, which acts as a gentle cleaner and helps remove dirt and discoloration from the surface. Add a generous amount. Next, pour in half a cup of dish soap, which dissolves grease and grime, making it easier to lift dirt from the shoe. The next ingredient is baking soda, which works as a mild abrasive and helps remove even stubborn stains. Add 1 tablespoon. Another ingredient is vinegar, which aids in dissolving dirt and boosts the effectiveness of the mixture. Add 1/3 of a cup. Then add a little water and mix thoroughly until you have a uniform cleaning paste. Now dip a cloth into the mixture and wipe the shoes carefully. The dirt will start coming off almost immediately. The surface becomes noticeably brighter and the material regains a fresh look. Finally, let the shoes dry, and they are ready to wear, looking and feeling like new. The shoes regain their snow-white color, appear fresh and clean, as if straight from the store, giving the impression of a completely new pair. You need to toss this little ball into your Converse. If you want them to stay bright white, it's not only an effective way to freshen them up, but also a real money saver. Start with a glass bowl. Add 2 cups of baking soda. It works as a natural bleach and odor neutralizer. Then, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt. The third ingredient is hydrogen peroxide. 1 tablespoon is enough to add its whitening and antibacterial properties to the mix. Stir everything well until you get a thick paste. Shape small balls from the mixture using your hands. Once ready, let them dry. After drying, store them in a glass jar. That way they'll always be ready when your sneakers need a refresh. To use, take a plastic bowl, place your shoes inside, and pour in warm water. Drop in one of the balls. You can rub stains directly with it. Leave the shoes with the ball for a few minutes to let the ingredients do their job. Finally, scrub the shoes with a soft brush. The result? Your Converse will look like new. On hot days, your shoes don't smell ideal. I have a solution for that. Discover an effective trick for sweaty shoes that really works. Just a few simple steps are enough to restore freshness to your shoes. The first step is to prepare a spray bottle. Pour alcohol or disinfectant into it, which works great for eliminating the bacteria and fungi responsible for the unpleasant odor. Most of us have such a liquid in our purse or backpack. Next, prepare the shoes you want to freshen up. First, remove the insoles from them. Then thoroughly spray the inside of the shoes and leave it for a few minutes so the liquid can penetrate the material. Next, take care of the insoles. Spray them with the liquid as well, and then sprinkle them with baking soda. Rub the baking soda thoroughly into the insoles and leave it for a few minutes. This product not only kills bacteria, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. Then rinse the insoles in water and leave them in the sun to dry. After the shoes have dried, the unpleasant odor will be gone. Regular use of this method will help keep your shoes in perfect condition. I hope this method will be helpful to you. Don't pack your shoes like that if you don't have shoe bags or anything else to wrap them in. Take them out. There's a zipper in the lining of the suitcase. Unzip it and put the shoes in there. The lining material will protect your clothes from getting dirty. Zip it up and now start packing the clothes you need to take, and that's it.